Getting consistent home contractor jobs means more than just hoping word of mouth magically brings you non-stop kitchen remodels or bathroom upgrades. You gotta be proactive about building your network and finding leads that don't leave you stuck waiting on luck. Start by keeping your subcontractors close. When they get overwhelmed or face projects outside their comfort zone, they'll toss those jobs your way without you even asking. Volunteering at local community events or charity builds is not just nice, it puts you in touch with folks who actually have the budget and interest in home improvement. Don't sleep on local trade groups like the National Association of Home Builders. Mingling there gets your name out around other pros who might need your skills. Designers can be gold mines too, especially if you vibe with their style. They often look for reliable contractors they can trust. If you're thinking about paid lead services, be careful. Angi has a bad rep for wasting money, while Thumbtack seems a bit more legit, but results definitely vary. Google Ads can work, but only after you've gathered solid reviews to back up your work. People want proof before they hire. And, seriously, push past the awkwardness and ask clients for reviews. It's one of the best ways to build trust online and bring in new gigs. One of the biggest mistakes home contractors make when trying to get more jobs is relying solely on word of mouth, which is unpredictable and slow. Fix that by actively networking and getting involved in your community and trade groups. Another misstep is ignoring online presence. No reviews or website means potential clients won't find or trust you. So get those reviews, make a simple website, and keep your online info updated. The third common error is jumping into paid lead generation without knowing what you're getting into. Wasting money on bad services like Angi, or running ads without reviews just burns cash. Research carefully, start small, and focus on building real social proof first. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors by connecting them with skilled pros who actually want to do quality work. For contractors, it's a smart way to get steady jobs lined up without having to chase down every lead yourself.